In the heart of Ubud, Bali lies the secret behind the world's most unique coffee, Luwak coffee. A rich, smooth coffee with a distinct flavor that you won't find anywhere else. Experience the art of coffee making, Bali style.
The animal that we call luwak in Bahasa, in English we call civet cat. The type of nocturnal animal, so they're more active at the night than the daytime. They eat the coffee cherry, but they only swallow the whole seed inside, and then the fermentation process inside their stomach. Because this animal, they have a special enzyme inside their stomach, and then there is a poopy dog. And then the poo that still comes out look like a whole bean. They're very picky animal, so they only choose the best quality of the coffee bean. Here also process, we clean the poop from the animal, and this is after we clean the poop. And now after we dry, and then we remove the skin of the coffee, because the coffee after the fermentation process from the animal, they still have to cover. And then we wash again, they use a hot water, and then we dry. So, and then after this, and then that we roast the coffee. So first we roast the coffee like a traditional process. That's around 45 minutes for 1 kilogram coffee. We just put here the bean, and then we stand like this around 45 minutes. And then we get the color change dark like inside at the jar. So, and then after we roast the coffee, we put inside the bean here, and then we press like this. So after we grind the coffee, and then that we get the powder inside.
Now that you've seen the intricate process behind Luwak coffee, you can truly appreciate the care and tradition that goes into every cup. This was a unique journey through Bali's coffee culture.